Is photography dead? This is my honest reaction after watching Reddit. Yes, it's super windy today, but I'm here with you anyways on Capture and Connect. I'm hoping you can hear me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you how beautiful it is, but it's super duper windy, but I love it. I love it.
Welcome to Capture and Connect. Insight, challenges, and proven strategies to help you take your passion for photography and turn it into an income-generating business. And now here's your host, Janice Sullivan.
Hey friends, welcome to Capture and Connect, the podcast for creative photographers who want more than just likes and follows. You're here because you love art and you're a photographer, but also, you want to build a business that lasts, right? That's what I'm here for. This episode is a bit more personal, and it's not a tutorial. It's not a step-by-step. It's just real talk like I have done in my podcast calling raw episodes. Because something I read recently really got to me. And I think a lot of you are feeling the same as me, even if you haven't said it out loud. So here's what happened. I've been looking for fresh ideas for this podcast, and I wanted to talk about things that you truly care about. So one suggestion that I heard was to check out Reddit. People said that that's the place where photographers ask real questions, share struggles, and get raw information. So I did it. I went to Reddit, not as a seller, not to promote my work, but as a listener, as someone who's built a photography business and wanted to know, what are my people in our community feeling? What are they saying? And what I found made my heart hurt. Now, I will say this little tip. I know I said I wasn't going to teach, but I always want to give you guys tips. I do practice what I preach, and this is what I ask my clients to do. Find out what your people want. So there was a thread post that said, "Is photography dead?" And the replies, honestly, they were painful. So many people were saying, yes, it's over, that you can't make any money anymore, that it's all about AI now. Unless you're doing weddings, don't even bother with the photography business. That passion doesn't matter. You're still going to fail. I just sat there staring at the screen, heartbroken, seriously. Because behind all those comments were real people, artists, creatives, folks who once believed that their work could change someone's life and now feel like giving up. But here's the thing. Here's what I know from experience. Yes, photography as a hobby can be totally easy. Photography as a business is hard. It takes a strategy, a game plan. It takes intention. And most importantly, it takes people around you saying, don't give up. You can do this. Let me show you how. What struck me most in that Reddit thread was so much negativity. It was the isolation, the no mentors, the no coaches, the no encouragement, the no direction. Oh my gosh, I got so frustrated because of the silence. And right after that, I ended up watching a wedding photography coach on YouTube. Her video was simple, but the comment section, it was alive. It was filled with support, guidance, encouragement, and photographers helping each other. It made me wonder, where is that in our community? Where is that for us landscape photographers, nature photographers, the people who like to shoot macro photography and sell it? A space for fine art photographers that feel their work and want to feel valued for what they do. Where's our space to feel heard and supported and fired up about building a dream, beautiful business? That's why I'm doing this episode. That's why Capture and Connect even exists, because I want to change that story. If you ever wondered, is there a space for me in this photography world as a business? Can I turn my art into something that makes money? Is it too late to start? I want you to hear me clearly. Listen. photography is not dead, and your dream is not unrealistic. It just hasn't had the support it deserves yet. So let's fix it. Let's create that support system. I've started a free Facebook group called Photo Biz Builders. It's just for photographers who really want to take the next step in building their business. And I want this to be a space where we could talk about a strategy, which you know I like, game plan. Woohoo! Can you hear the wind? For marketing your work and mindset and how to make a living doing what you love. All right, I had to come back here because it is just way too windy and I want to get this podcast done for you. I also know not everyone is on Facebook, and that's okay. So I'm also starting and building a community here on YouTube. You can find updates, posts, behind the scenes, and ways to connect over at youtube.com/photobizmethod/posts. Subscribe, leave a comment, and be part of the conversation. This is where we can support each other. We're not meant to build in silence. We're meant to be creative in a community that we truly love. This episode is premiering right now, and I'm on YouTube. I'm in the chat with you guys. If you're hearing this live, come on and say hi. I'd love for you to drop your thoughts in the comments, or even better, tell me, what do you wish someone had told you when you were starting this journey? This podcast is more than just a broadcast. It's a conversation. It's a movement for those of us who refuse to believe photography is dead. Now, before I let you go, I want to share something fun. Some of you already know this, but some of you don't. I love giving gifts. It brings me so much joy to surprise you and delight you photographers in this community. I've been working on something for a while, something special, and I'm in the middle of this fun, designing some custom hats and mugs that are meant to inspire you and encourage your creativity and your journey, to remind you that you're part of something bigger than just snap shooting. This is merchandise that I will be giving to you as gifts. It's more about building something meaningful. I'm not going to sell this. I'm going to give this to you as you join our community, as you're part of what we want to do, being entrepreneurs in the photography field. So I've posted polls in the Photo Biz Builder Facebook group and one in the YouTube community. You can see it over on this below this video. And it would be awesome if you could head over there and cast your vote and drop a comment with your own ideas of different inspirational quotes that you would love to have. I want to lift us up on the hard days and celebrate the wins as we build our photography business. So definitely vote or comment and help me create something that represents you. If you ever felt discouraged or alone in your creative journey, I want you to know you're not alone anymore. You have a place to go. You have a tribe to go to, and you have me in your corner. I'm so passionate about this. I want to show the wedding photographers and the headshot photographers that we have a community too, that we support each other. It is instilled in my blood to have us support and be together. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out both of the communities. The links will be down below if you're on Facebook or if you're here on YouTube. I'm here for you. I'm so excited to get to know you even better. And if you'd like to hear all of the amazing business tips that I have, you could check Capture and Connect playlist, and I have a playlist just for business. Plus, I got stuff for macro photography, landscape, and fine art photography on shooting and post-processing. So I got your back, and I will see you next week. Cheers, my friend. If you would like to get show notes, links that I talk about in the episode, and a bunch of other goodness like freebies to help you build your photography business, then head on over to photobizmethod.com. photobizmethod.com. See you there.